Welcome back to another episode of the Reckless Wrench Garage. On this episode I wanted to show you guys, in the event you have one of these PSC steering boxes and it's leaking out of that front cover, I wanted to show you how to replace the seal. Earlier this year I upgraded all my steering components. At the same time I put in the hydro assist, and I happened to get a box with a bad seal on it. So I'm finally taking the time to replace it, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it in the event you have the same problem. Overall, this should be pretty simple. This is the cap we're dealing with here. To get this cap off, there's a hole at the top, right there. And we're gonna take a punch, put it down in there so we can knock that ring loose, pull the ring out, and go from there. So now we got the ring out, and we still have to get this cap out. Notice there's nowhere to grab onto it, and you don't want to stick anything in here to try to pry it to get it out. Place your drain pan, because it's going to make a mess. Now you have two options. We can either hit it on the outside with rubber end of the hammer, like so, or we can wiggle the steering wheel back and forth, and the pressure of the fluid should help push that out. So we'll try it with the hammer first, see what happens. If it doesn't come out fairly quickly, try it with the steering wheel. Make a big old mess. Oh, looks like it's already ready to come out. Look at that. There it is. That seal right there, it's cut. So I got the seals out, and here's what we got going on. You have this flat seal. You can see right there where it's torn. Just a real small little piece that's ripped. So I just got off the phone with Calvin over there at PSC, and this is supposed to be used just for spacing. He said the condition of this shouldn't affect it, but they're going to go ahead and send me another one. I do have two new O-rings. This one doesn't look too bad, but I'm going to go ahead and replace the O-ring. Alright, so we're going to have to put the flat washer back in there. And we're going to stick the O-ring in there. There we go. Now she's in there. Well, if you found the video helpful, or you know somebody who might be able to find it helpful, feel free to share it with them. You know, give it a like, all that good stuff. If you had the same situation, you took care of it a different way, not including covering it in an RTV, go ahead and put it in the comments below. And until next time, stay reckless. Pit bull tires make great tool trays.